That'll knock you on your very butt, Highness.
Over yonder, Ms. Gobstopper. Let me show you some tricks, Trixie.
Some creatures surely have no purpose.
You got your Mimis in Australia. Mainly eating yams. But once in a while they get a hankering for some people pudding. In India, there's the Nagas. They got a rocket living sitch. Set up underground, just like you, Finny. Let's see. In good old Middle East, we have the Mazakin, the Jewish faith. Shapers, like yours truly. And then there's the genies. Quite temperamental. China got the Hussein, and they are badass. Africa houses the abattoir, real tiny critters, just like ants. Oh. And then there's the Tooth Fairy, and Tinkerbell, and the Prince, and Princess. And the 7 dwarfs. Oh, ain't they all so sweet? Oh, living happily ever after. Castle in the sky.
So being a fairy in these parts means you're limp-wristed.
It's gay, Kingster.
Well, I'm as gay as can be myself. This is the most entertaining fete I've been at in centuries.